Hello friends, this is Nirmal here for Technique, and today we're going to compare two mid-range phones, the Asus Zenfone 2 Laser with the Honor 4X. So both these devices are priced ₹999 and comes with a lot of similarities in terms of the specs. So we'll do a detailed comparison of these two smartphones. Before that, let's see the quick look at the specs. So first up, the Asus Zenfone 2 Laser. This comes with a 5.5-inch HD display. It's powered by the Snapdragon 410 quad-core chipset, 2GB RAM, 16GB internal storage, and a 13 megapixel rear camera with a dual tone LED flash, laser autofocus, and a 5 megapixel front facing camera. On the software front, this runs Android 5.0 Lollipop with a custom UI, and it runs on a 3000 milliamp battery. So that was the spec aspect of the Asus Zenfone 2 Laser. Now coming to the Honor 4X, this is one of the good mid-range phones with decent specs. It has 5.5-inch HD display. It's powered by the same Snapdragon 410 quad-core chipset with 2GB RAM. It runs Android 4.4 KitKat with a custom EMUI 3.0, and this has a 13 megapixel rear camera with LED flash and a 5 megapixel front facing camera. It also has a 3000 milliamp hour battery. So that is the spec aspect of these two smartphones. Now let's move on to the design and build quality. So design wise, the Asus Zenfone 2 Laser has the same design language as that of the Asus Zenfone 2 with a curved rear panel, and you have the power key on the rear panel with a 13 megapixel rear camera, dual LED flash. The power button is located on the top panel. That's kind of awkward for operating, and it has 3 capacitive touch buttons with a pattern on the bottom. So this has the same design as that of Asus Zenfone 2, and the material quality looks pretty good. It's not lightest of the phones in this price point, and does have a great finishing as well. You can see power key, and the power and the volume keys have been given a chrome finish. Now talking about the Honor 4X, this also has a simple design. It's a straightforward design. You can see 3 capacitive touch buttons. They are not backlit, very similar to the Asus, and you can see the power and the volume keys are on the right side. Power key is being given a chrome finish. On the rear panel, you have a textured pattern with an engraved Honor logo. We have the camera unit and flash integrated into a neat finishing. So all in all, design and build quality, we would say the Honor 4X is slightly superior because it is slightly lighter in weight. It's a lot slimmer than the Zenfone 2 and pretty compact to hold, and the rear panel quality looks slightly better on the Honor 4X. So in the design and build quality, we would say both these devices are pretty good in terms of the price point. The Honor 4X is slightly better in terms of the design and build quality. Now moving on to the display, both these devices have the 5.5-inch HD display. They are the same IPS LCD panel, but here there is a difference. The Asus Zenfone 2 Laser has Corning Gorilla Glass 4 support. That's the latest version, while the Honor 4X does not offer any additional protection. So in that aspect, the Zenfone 2 Laser is better, and also the touch response on Zenfone 2 Laser is much better than the Honor 4X. The Honor 4X has a sticky kind of display. It's not really that smooth, but the Asus Zenfone 2 Laser has a better display. Even the colors look slightly better on and even colors and sharpness look better on the Asus Zenfone 2 Laser than the Honor 4X. So in the display aspect, the clear winner is the Asus Zenfone 2 Laser. Now moving on to the software and performance. So here there is again a big difference. One is powered by the latest Android 5.0, even though it's not the latest, it does have Android Lollipop. The Zenfone 2 Laser has the Zen UI on top of Android Lollipop. You can see it's a customized UI. There are lots of features added, and you do have a lot of customizations as well. So it's one of the highly customizable OS and feature rich OS on Android, and it's really powerful ROM. It does offer great features, and it does have good performance as well. So this has a Snapdragon 410 quad-core chipset, and the performance was pretty good. The gaming experience also was really good, and all in all, we would say the Zen UI it's a performing UI. Although it's not running the latest Android, it does still have Android Lollipop, and it does have 4G LTE on both the SIM cards, and it has 16GB internal storage, which is again expandable, and along with 2GB RAM. So all in all, the performance looks pretty good. The gaming experience also is very good on the Zenfone 2 Laser. We played games and it didn't have any issues while playing on the Zenfone 2 Laser. So that was the software and performance of the Zenfone 2 Laser. Now talking about the Honor 4X, this has this custom UI called EMUI 3.0 on top of Android 4 for KitKat, so it's running an outdated OS. So that's one major concerning aspect. It has its custom UI. It's not as polished as a Zen UI, but it does offer a lot of additional features and tweaks. It does have theme center, and you can customize very similar to the Zenfone's Zen UI, but it's not as polished and performing UI just like the Zen UI. The overall performance of this device was pretty good. There was no lag or issues. The Snapdragon 410 quad-core chipset performed really well. There was 2GB RAM and just 8GB internal storage. So in that aspect, the Zenfone 2 offers 16GB, while this has just 8GB. It can be expandable via micro SD card, and even that functionality is available on the Zenfone 2 Laser as well. Now both these devices offer 4G LTE support on dual SIM cards and have decent performance as well. So talking about the software and performance, we would say the Asus Zenfone 2 Laser is better here because it offers better software, better performance. Even the gaming experience is better on the Zenfone 2 Laser. We did have issues playing some games on the Honor 4X, which we talked about in the detailed gaming review of this device. So all in all, in the software and performance side, we would say the Asus Zenfone 2 Laser is the winner here. Now moving on to the camera, you can see that when we reviewed the camera on the Honor 4X, we found that this was one of the really good camera smartphones in this price point. Now both these devices have the 13 megapixel rear camera. Now additionally, the Asus Zenfone 2 Laser has the dual tone LED flash and also laser autofocus. So laser autofocus is something which is available only in flagships, and Asus has done a really good job in bringing the laser autofocus to sub 10K price point. Now talking about the camera interface, both these devices offer a decent amount of features, and you can see the almost all kind of features which you would love to have on a budget smartphone is available on both these devices. And Asus Zenfone 2 Laser offers manual mode, and you can have more control on the UI. Apart from that, both these phone offers a decent amount of features, and the UI is pretty good on both these devices. Now talking about the camera quality, the Honor 4X does perform really well in this sub 10K price point, and is one of the really good cameras in this category. But overall, we would say the Asus Zenfone 2 Laser is slightly ahead of the Honor 4X in terms of the clarity and color quality, as I said before, it also has its laser autofocus and also dual tone LED flash. So all in all, if you take the complete camera aspect, including UI, the features and also the hardware, we would say the Asus Zenfone 2 Laser is slightly ahead of the Honor 4X in terms of the overall quality and the performance of the cameras. So that was the camera aspect. Now both these devices have front facing selfie cameras. Both are pretty average in terms of the performance, and does produce pretty decent results for the selfie experience. Now talking about the battery, both these devices have a 3000 mAh battery. The Zenfone 2 Laser is powered by Android Lollipop, while the Honor 4X is powered by KitKat. So now talking about the battery performance, both these does offer good performance. You can get at least 1 day of usage easily, and if you're a casual user, you might get more than a day on both these devices. So in the battery performance, we would say both these devices are pretty good, but considering a lot of aspects including app performance and everything, we would say there is a slight edge for Asus Zenfone 2 Laser in terms of the battery performance. But it's not really very high when compared to Honor 4X, but both these devices do offer pretty decent battery performance all around. Now we have talked about almost all aspects of these two smartphones, so which is a better device to buy here. Now both these devices are priced 9,999, and the Asus Zenfone 2 Laser is available for pre-order right now. It will be available for shipping sometime in September, while the Honor 4X is readily available. Now comparing a lot of aspects, we would say the Asus Zenfone 2 Laser has an edge on the display, which is Corning Gorilla Glass 4. The software and performance is much better, and also the camera is slightly better on the Asus Zenfone 2 Laser. Now where does the Honor 4X have better features when compared to Asus Zenfone 2 Laser. It's only the design and build quality which we feel the material quality is slightly better than the Asus Zenfone 2 Laser. So all in all, we would say the Asus Zenfone 2 Laser makes much better choice than the Honor 4X, because a lot of aspects are pretty good on the Asus Zenfone 2 Laser when compared to the Honor 4X. So that is a detailed comparison of the Asus Zenfone 2 Laser with the Honor 4X. So hope you like this video. If you have any questions, drop in a comment and we'll be glad to help you out with your queries. If you like this video, do hit the like button and also subscribe to your YouTube channel for more videos. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.